Imagine a single act of defiance sparking a nationwide revolution. Sounds unreal, right? In 2011, a young boy named Muawiyah Syas and his classmates did something daring. They scribbled down with the regime on their school wall in Syria. This bold move wasn't just graffiti. It ignited massive protests against President Bashar al-Assad's regime. Despite brutal crackdowns, these protests spread like wildfire. The people had had enough and their voices grew louder. But Assad's response? Ruthless violence. This clash spiraled into a devastating civil war. The conflict tore the nation apart, involving various factions and international powers. Millions of lives were uprooted, families displaced, and cities reduced to rubble. Muawiyah Syas's story is a powerful reminder. Even a small spark can ignite a revolution. And sometimes that spark comes from the unlikeliest of places, even a 14-year-old boy. Hit that like button and subscribe. This is history you can't afford to miss. #Syrian war, #Muawiyah Syas, #revolution, never forget.